Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to replace a Toyota Camry sun visor. First, gather your tools: a small flathead screwdriver, a Phillips head screwdriver, and your new sun visor. Make sure your car is parked on a level surface with the engine off for safety. This simple guide will walk you through each step, making the process straightforward and quick. You'll have your new visor installed in no time, improving your driving comfort and safety. Now, let's remove the old visor. Start by using your small flathead screwdriver to carefully pry off the plastic cover at the base of the visor. Underneath, you'll find 2 Phillips head screws. Unscrew these completely. If your visor has a vanity light, gently disconnect the electrical connector. Take your time with this step to avoid damaging any surrounding trim. Once disconnected, the old visor should come right out. With the old visor removed, it's time to install your new one. If your new visor has a vanity light, first connect the electrical wire. Then, align the new visor with the screw holes in the ceiling. Insert the 2 Phillips head screws and tighten them securely, but be careful not to over-tighten. Finally, snap the plastic cover back into place over the screws. Give the new visor a gentle tug to ensure it's firmly attached and functions correctly. Great job! Your new Toyota Camry sun visor is now installed. Take a moment to test its full range of motion and confirm the vanity light works if applicable. Make sure everything feels secure and operates smoothly. This simple repair can significantly improve your driving experience. For more helpful car maintenance tips and other great deals, check the description below this video. You'll find a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and more. Thanks for watching and drive safely.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.